Gary at Broadlane Leisure Caravans here. Today I'm going to give you a show around of a 2017 Sprite. It'll be a generic show around, if that makes sense, in that the controls will apply to other models within the Sprite range, if that makes sense. So 2 bursts, 4 bursts, fixed beds, etc. So I'm not going to concentrate so much on the layout, more about the controls and how they operate, etc. So on the offside, at the very back on this particular model, you've got access to the space of the fixed bed, battery locker, mains plug-in, water housing. So that's where your water pipe connects into, and that's your exhaust for your heating hot water system. Just make sure it doesn't get any debris in there. So make sure it's nice and clean. On the front, as it looks, you've got 3 opening front windows, fixed panoramic window. Obviously that's your gas locker, that's where you store your gas bottles. You can stand on the front if you wish to, clean the windows, etc. Braking system, stabiliser, and again we've done videos on the hitching up process and how to uncouple, etc. Now this particular model has been fitted with some extras which may not be on the Sprite models. So I've got barbecue point up front and power, but as I say, I think you'll find that they're not specific to the Alpine range. Again, this model's got a motor mover on it, and on the rear then, and again it might be your cassette lockers on the offside or the near side. Filler for the loo and your toilet cassette, and again we've done videos on the operation of the toilet cassettes. Right, I'll show you around the interior, if I may. Okay, so on the inside of this Sprite Alpine 4, and as I say, this will be the same for all the models, irrespective of their layouts. Immediately over the door you've got your control panels. Firstly, they would have been fitted with tracker systems. Now, you will have needed to subscribe to those as new, so I'm not going to include that, if that makes sense. That's your control for your heating hot water system. We've done a previous video on that, and we've also done a previous video on the main control panel, but that's your on-off switch, pump switch, internal lighting, under locker lighting, over locker lighting, and you've also got your awning light on the outside. Your display gives us various bits of information. Again, we've done videos on that control panel. Smoke alarm, carbon monoxide alarm, over locker lighting, and speaker system. You've got your fly screens in this model, under seat storage up front. This one's got the half moon table. Just to quickly show you under here, you've got your hot water stroke heater unit. And again, we've done previous videos on that system. But just to highlight, there's the heater unit there. And your drain down is this yellow drain down valve just there, look. So vertical is drain down, horizontal is closed, ready to go. That's the pump. And again, we've done videos on the main control panel, blade fuses, consumer units, and how to turn on the master switches, etc. Charging unit. Okay, fridge with freeze compartment. You've got your main on-off. These are selector switches. Mains gas 12-volt system, and that operates your temperature up and down. The Dometic unit, you can remove the freezer box, which is very useful, giving the facilities to have a larger fridge option. And again, we've done videos on the fridges. Useful practical microwave. Cooker unit's got a 3-burner gas hob, grill, oven, and it's all straightforward to operate via your igniter button. Got the opening Hickory roof light. So this one's got the fixed bed, lifts up nice and high to reveal great storage, and you've got the exterior access locker. Again, some of these may have the corner washrooms and others may have the end washrooms. They're all essentially the same. You've got your cassette loo, which we've done videos on, push button electric flush, and how to open and close the cassette. Mixer taps for hot, cold running water. And again, this model's got the wardrobe in the middle, as it looks really. And that's it really. So just a bit of a show round the Sprite Alpine. This one's the 4, but in essence the controls are the same for your other Sprites, irrespective of layout, for the same year. Thank you much indeed for watching the video with Gary at Broadlane Leisure Caravans.